We're trying the water test to practice with the pressure in our Ninja Foodi. So start by adding 700 ml water to cooking pot. Lock the pressure lid and then turn valve to seal. Then we push pressure, select high, set time to 2 minutes and press the start stop button. Moving lights and some steam release indicate pressure is building. When pressurized, countdown will begin. So for this one, it took around 6 minutes to build the pressure. When the Foodi beeps, turn valve to vent for quick release. Check if the float valve lower back to its original position and the lid can be opened. And we are done. Thank you for watching.